Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-00944 error in Oracle database 12c. So now I have opened the SQL Plus editor, login as a common user called c#scott. So make sure that you have enough permission to execute the queries. Okay. So in my first step, I am creating one cluster called dummy cluster. So dummy cluster is having two columns, employee number and name. So cluster is created. Next, what I am doing, I am going to create one index for that dummy cluster. So create index dummy cluster underscore index on cluster dummy cluster. So okay, index created. Now third step, I am creating one table called employees2, which contains three columns. So employees2 table contains three columns. Now I am going to map to the dummy cluster. So I am going to map the employees2 table to the dummy cluster. So here I am mapping dummy cluster to a single field only. So you can see this error. ORA-00944 insufficient number of clustered columns, which means that, see, dummy cluster is already created with two columns, okay, but I have mapped the table with the cluster with single column, so which is an error. So what we need to do is we need to specify all the cluster columns in the create table statement. Then again we need to create the table. So that is the fix for this ORA-00944 insufficient number of clustered columns. So now you can see that I can able to create the table successfully when I map to the actual values inside the dummy cluster.